Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, your diversified investor. Welcome back. Another video this week. What I wanted to share this week was three of my picks that I've made trades on, and I want to give you a context and an idea of my thinking around this particular pick. PFSI is a ticker for PennyMac Financial Services. They are based in California and their CEO is David Spector. The company mostly offers mortgage lending but offers other services as well, such as managing investments. The stock price is currently at $62 at time of this recording. This is a $4 billion market cap sized company with a 12-month revenue of $3.7 billion. They have a 46% revenue growth year over year. The 12-month net income is $1.7 billion. This means they have a PE ratio of 2.44 and a price to sales of 1.11. Here is a chart of how banks have done over the past year. Now this stock, it's been stuck in a range. This is not a trending stock at this point. It's been stuck in this range of $60 to $70 in stock price since October of last year. So this is one that people have not been too excited about because the price has just been going up and down in this $10 range and haven't seen any gains or big losses. This is one where I was relieved to see that the stock price didn't go below $60 and is making its way back up to $70. So here I'm looking to see if it can get that back to that level. Make sure to like this video if you enjoy the picks that I share with you, and make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you're able to see all the other good picks that I bring to you, and you're able to see all the other amazing runs of stocks in the year 2020. Alright, here is the first stock trivia here on my channel, and the first one is, which stock had the biggest gain in 2020? Was it Apple? Was it Netflix? Was it Disney? Or was it Nike? The answer will be in the description below, and while you're there, make sure to hit that like button for the channel. Alright, my second pick is Enphase. Their ticker symbol is ENPH, and I'll leave a link up here for you for my other video that I created on this stock. Now, this stock at the beginning of 2021 peaked, and ever since it's been in a downward trend. You can see here from this chart that there has been a recent breakout with the stock price. You can see this descending triangle wedge, and now the price has broken through that. Here I think that the price is going to make its way up to 180. So the support I believe is at around 130. So that's where I'll be able to really wait, be patient, let the price bounce around and stay in the trade unless it goes below this support line. A lot of the investments I am making with fractional investing in $20 in each of these picks that I'm sharing with you today with the Cash App. So there is a link in the description below where you're able to open an account up and begin doing the same thing I am doing. Make sure to only invest money that you actually have spare money for and not something essential, say like for food or rent. The other thing is a lot of the charts that I show in my videos here on my channel are from the Webull app. So if you're interested in investing with that app, I also have a link down below in the description where you're able to open up an account. Once you've deposited $100 there, you're able to get a free stock from them, and it could be valued in the hundreds. So make sure to check it out and get started with your investing journey. Here's another fun stock trivia question. Which company in the 2020 had the most revenue? Was it JP Morgan, Citigroup, Bank of America, or Wells Fargo? You know what to do. Make sure to check the description below for the answer. And while you're there, hit that like button and you're going to be able to see more of these stock trivia questions in the future. All right, now on to the next pick, and that is Shopify. I've been looking at this ever since the stock was at around $300 a share, and I've been able to make some really good gains with this stock. Now, here in 2021, I believe the support level is around the 1200 range, and the beginning point that people should have probably got in, and we've seen a change, is the $1,300 level. Here I've set a target price to be around $1,540. You can see here from this chart that around the $1,500 mark is where it is a previous high of the stock. Now, because the company is so strong, they allow e-commerce websites to be created very quickly. I think this is one that's going to see continual growth here in 2021 and the years to come. Now, for the fundamentals of Shopify, the market cap for Shopify is 182 billion. This has seen some rapid growth here in the past couple of years. Now, the revenue is 3.5 billion. Now, their revenue growth year over year is at 100%. That means they only made half of their revenue the year prior. Now, their net income for this company is around 1.6. So just a stellar business model, and they've been able to do some big things. One reason why there's been so much growth is because the PE ratio for this stock is at 113. Now, their price to sales is at 58, and this is one factor of why there's been such rapid growth with this company. Which of these is in the energy sector? 3M, Exxon Mobil, or Peloton? Well, I enjoyed putting this video together for you guys this week. Let me know down in the comments below what you think, which stocks you are excited about this month. Let me know the progress of your investment journey. I look forward to seeing you guys in my next video and catch you on the flip side.